Welcome to Ohana Dwellings. Today we're excited to show you how to customize your ADU using our AI-powered home designer, saving you both time and thousands of dollars on your build. Let's get started. First, navigate to our AI ADU home designer on the Ohana Dwellings website. This tool will help you visualize and customize your ADU in real time. Step 2, select your view. I'll start with the exterior view. Step 3, select the style you'd like to see on this model. We have a variety of styles to choose from, so pick the one that best matches your vision. Select from a wide range of available styles, from modern farmhouse to rustic chic. Step 4, make sure you are signed into your account. This is important to save and submit your designs for pricing. Step 5, press the Generate button. Step 6, review the generated designs and favorite the one you like best. Take a moment to review the color schemes to ensure they match your preferences. Step 7, finally submit your design to receive a detailed price quote. Our team will review your submission and get back to you with a competitive quote tailored to your project. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you create your dream ADU with ease.